Hello and welcome to today's viewing with me. Our location of interest today is Oniru, and today we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful apartments you're looking at. Here we have a total of 16 units of apartments, 2-bedroom apartments and 1-bedroom apartment, a total of 13 units of 2-bedroom apartments and 3 units of 1-bedroom apartments. The 1-bedroom apartments are almost sold out. We have just 1 unit remaining, and the 2-bedroom apartments are also almost sold out. Okay, so we're going to take a walk in a bit to go show you what we have inside. But before we go in, take a look and savor what your next investment location looks like. From this video, you can already tell that these units are built with modern materials, modern finishing. The exterior is also looking really nice, all right? So if you're looking for a residential property or something you want to use for investment reasons, this is a nice location because this location is prime. It's close to Victoria Island, it's close to Ikoyi, and also easily accessible to people going to mainland. So this location is very premium, and apartment units are always needed. We have 16 number of apartments altogether here. We have 13 units of 2-bedroom apartments and also 3 units of 1-bedroom apartments. So busy professionals are always looking for properties like this. It's something you can use for rental, it's something you can use for your own personal use, and something you can also use for short-led businesses, which is a very good deal right here. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, we're going to go in a bit to have a tour and see what the interior looks like. The interiors are spacious and also beautifully finished with fine and delicate materials that is being handpicked. Okay, this property comes with a building approval and also comes with a good title, so you have nothing to worry about. This location is also flood free and the roads are also very good. If you're in the market shopping for apartment units in this location called Oniru, then this is a good fit you should consider. So you need to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. My name is Joy. Welcome to my channel, and here we bring you beautiful properties in Lagos State and also ones that have good title coverings and also spot on locations and the best of deals in Lagos State. Let's go and tour this beautiful units of apartments. Did I forget to tell you that this property comes with a communal swimming pool, a communal elevator, and also a communal gym? Okay, so you see, you have everything right here at your beck and call. So let's go take a look. Okay, so this house is going to be a fully serviced set of apartments. This is the big generator that will be servicing the whole unit, and these are the meters, the electricity meters. They've all been prefixed. Okay, so we are going to go in a bit, like I promised. Just wanted to show you again a glimpse of what this the interior part looks like. There's also going to be a facility office here. So this is the entrance to the facility office, and from the entrance also you gain entrance to the staircase and all of the units. Behind the building is where we have the swimming pool and the gym. So let me quickly show you the swimming pool and the gym before we go in. Also, the rooms are going to come with ACs. Okay, so this is where we have the swimming pool. So this is the pool area. No lifeguard. Swim at your own risk. So this is the swimming pool, and over there that's the gym house. It's going to come with a fitted gym. Okay, and the rooms are going to come with ACs. So let's go back and gain entrance into the apartments. So we're back here, and these are the parking lots. Okay, parking lots. So we're going inside now to go show you the 1-bedroom apartment and also the 2-bed apartment, what the interior looks like. They are very spacious and well finished. Okay, so let's go take a look. So hang on, I'm going to turn the camera around so we go inside and show you what the interior looks like. Once you come in, you're coming into the facility office and then the sitting area here for your guests. So did I forget to tell you that every room is going to come with AC? The living rooms are going to come with this big standing AC. Bedrooms are going to come with the wall AC. These are the ACs that have already been stocked for installations in all the rooms. And over here, that's the elevator. So if you decide to use the elevator, this is your elevator. And on this side is the staircase. This is the staircase. Okay, so we're going to take our top to see that's it. This is a client's unit. This client is beautifying his unit. So this is the living room of this apartment. This is the open kitchen. Comes with an open kitchen. This is a 1-bed apartment. Okay. This is the bedroom. This is a bedroom with massive large window. This is the toilet and bath. Well done. We're still cleaning up this particular unit. So I brought you in here to show you how your personal space can look like when, of course, you decorate it. This apartment is a 1-bedroom apartment. You see how spacious the living room is, and also how the purple kitchen is being designed, and also how big the bedroom is. Even with a 6x6 bed frame, you still have lots and lots of space here. Okay. Look at the massive wooden door frame. Okay, so let's go upstairs to go and see the 2 bedrooms. Cleaning is ongoing. So the unit you're going to check out for the 2 bedroom is upstairs. Hang on. I love the spotless finishing of this house. The choice of color for the tiles, and also the colors of paint, all white. So we're on the 1st floor. Over there again is the elevator, but I came up from, I used the staircase. So we're going to view this particular unit, see how big the living room is. All the rooms come with open plan kitchen. Yes, the choice of kitchen here is open plan. This is really beautiful. Very beautiful. So these fittings are going to come in all of the rooms. A microwave, a grill, a 5-burner gas cooker, heat extractor, wash hand sink, tons of storage spaces for your kitchen with marble countertops and lots of storage spaces. And this mirror here. So it means once you come in, you can always check yourself out. This is really beautiful. And then beautiful POP lightings and well finished POP. This POP is really neat. The job done here, the job is very neat. And also the surround speakers. You can see this one, and then this other one over here. Okay. Your living room here comes with this massive glass door for good ventilation. It also comes with a sit out here where you can have a good view of your neighborhood. All right. So let me show you an angle view of your living room from here. Quite spacious, I must say, very big. And here is the guest toilet. Guest toilet is also quite beautiful. I love the piece, the way he handpicked his choice of fittings. Okay. Okay, so we're done with this living room. Let's go see the bedrooms. Which one should we do? This one or this one? Let's do this first. Okay, so this is one of the bedrooms. This is neat, very neat. From the choice of wood materials for the door, for the cabinets, for the wardrobes, this is neat job. Okay, then the massive window for good ventilation, and this is your spotless toilet and bath. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to give you another angle view of this room. Okay, let's go see the second bedroom, which I presume is the master bedroom. Yes, I was right. Okay, so once you come into your master bedroom, what greets your eyes is also the massive window over here, and the nice POP with the lightings. Over here is your closet. One thing about apartment units in the Victoria Island extension, which is Oniru, and Lekki Phase 1, is that apartment units are always highly sought after because companies tend to lease them for a long time, and then busy individuals or professionals are always ready to rent them also. So they are always highly sought after. So if this looks like something you want to add into your investment portfolio, please do not hesitate to give me a call right away on the number showing on the screen. Let me help you lock down one or more of these units. They're beautifully finished, okay? So once again, this is your living room. We've toured the 1-bed apartments and also the 2-bed apartments. You can see. As you can see, these are beautiful. All right, smart investors, we have come to the very end of the tour. This is my favorite part in this apartment, the open plan kitchen with all of its accessories, equipment, spotless, well picked, and beautiful. Look at tons of storage spaces in this kitchen, and this one comes with a glass or mirror door. It means you can always check out yourself when you're doing your cooking. I'm sure you love what you have seen. If this looks like something you want to key into, if this property, either the 1-bed apartment or the 2-bed apartment, looks like something you want to key into, do not hesitate to give me a call right away on the number showing on the screen. Just look at how massive this living area is. It's beautiful with its slide door. This is the sit-out area. You can have a look around your environment right here. You can view, and I mean, this is awesome. This is amazing. Trust me, it's amazing. So if this looks like something you want to key into, do not hesitate to give me a call right away on the number showing on the screen. Let me help you to lock down the units or more. If you want a virtual tour, if you're not around, we can always arrange a virtual tour for you. That's not an issue. But if you have someone that can also view on your behalf, that's if you're in diaspora and you are not around, we can arrange that, okay? It's always a ready market for apartment units around Victoria Island Extension, and also Lekki Phase 1, okay? 1-bed apartment is in the market for 290 million, while the 2-bed apartment is in the market for 305 million. That's the net price that the developer is asking for. You know, I always bring you the very best of deal, okay? Call me right away, and also remember to give me a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, so that when we post subsequent videos, you'll be the very first to get them and watch them. And if you also have someone that you would want to share this video with, do so that the person can also benefit from it. All right, thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.